Welcome back, guys. We have the ETB of Ascended Heroes in short format, as you guys commented. So let's get into it. 9 packs, let's go. All right, pack number 1. Code card, I'm gonna go with Fire. Psychic, I was gonna go Psychic to be honest. Okay, Cook first pack. Number 2, code card, Grass. It is Grass. Cooked. Number 3, code card, Fighting. It's electric. Super cooked. Number 4, code card, Water. Mega cooked. Number 5, code card, give me Psychic. Fighting. And ultra cooked. Number 6, help me. Code card, Steel. It's Grass. Okay, EX, we got a Tandemaus EX. Sorry, Togedemaru. Number 7, code card, Water. It's Water and it's a holo. All right, let's go. Ooh, we got Ethan's Macargo. Let's go. Anything behind it? Nothing. That's a hit. Let's go. All right, number 8. Code card, Fire. Steel. Okay, I mean, not so cooked. All right, last pack magic. Help me. Code card, Water. Fire, of course. All right, Miss Magius. All right, well, these were the hits. I would say we should have kept this one sealed. I like the cargo, but this is just not that many hits for that many packs. So if you guys like this content, please like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.